Feeling swamped by endless to-do lists and missed deadlines? Imagine a world where every task is tracked, projects run smoothly, and your team communicates effortlessly. It's not a dream, it's the power of ClickUp, which we use and love. Small businesses and entrepreneurs often juggle everything. Spreadsheets and basic checklists just don't cut it anymore when you're trying to grow. That's where ClickUp becomes your secret weapon. It's an all-in-one productivity platform designed to turn your business chaos into crystal clear order. ClickUp isn't just a task manager. It's your central hub for all your work. You can organize your entire business into high-level areas, then break it down into projects and individual tasks. Each task can have all the details you need: subtasks, checklists, files, and discussions. This mirrors your real-world business structure perfectly, making organization intuitive. Think about the unique info you need to track: client budgets, project priorities, lead source. ClickUp lets you create custom data fields to capture all this, preventing info from getting lost. Plus, you can see your work in so many ways: lists, dynamic boards, calendars, timelines, even mind maps. Whatever helps you and your team visualize your progress best. And the best part? Automations. Set rules to automatically assign tasks, change statuses, or notify teammates. This drastically cuts down on manual work and human error, freeing up your team for more important things. For example, a marketing agency can track every client, every project, from website redesigns to social media campaigns. A cleaning service can schedule appointments, track client preferences, and ensure consistent quality every single time. Imagine saving 50% on scheduling time or improving appointment accuracy by 95%. That's the real impact. ClickUp also transforms team collaborations. All discussions, feedbacks, and decisions happen directly within each task. No more searching through scattered emails. Team members can tag each other, attach files, and even record short videos for clearer explanations. Plus, you can create shared documents right inside ClickUp for your project briefs, meeting notes, or internal policies. Real-time co-editing means everyone is always working with the latest info. This means projects move faster, mistakes are minimized, and team morale soars. Beyond the basics, you can build powerful dashboards to monitor key metrics like project progress or team workload. Use custom forms to streamline client requests or IT tickets. Integrate your favorite apps like Slack or Google Drive for a seamless workflow. You can even set up clear goals and track how your daily tasks contribute to your big business objectives. ClickUp helps you become more efficient, accountable, and ultimately more profitable. Stop letting disorganization hold you back. Start building your custom workspace today and watch your business thrive. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.